Stop for a second and imagine this. Right now, somewhere in America, someone is holding a simple wheat penny, a tiny copper coin that looks completely ordinary. It may have a few brown spots, maybe a small mint mark. Maybe it's been sitting in a jar for years. Most people would ignore it without even a second thought. But what if I told you that one small penny like this could secretly be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars today? Yeah, you heard that right. Across the United States, collectors are discovering that certain Lincoln Wheat Pennies are no longer pocket change. They have quietly turned into hidden treasures that serious collectors fight to own. These coins carry powerful history, incredible rarity, and values that are rising year after year in today's market. And the most shocking part is this. Many of these valuable pennies are still hiding in old coin jars, piggy banks, inherited collections, and forgotten drawers. People spend them every day without realizing they may have just let a life-changing treasure slip through their fingers. Today on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, I'm revealing 3 ultra-rare wheat pennies that have stunned collectors and created massive excitement in the coin market. These coins look small, but their stories, their rarity, and their value will absolutely shock you. But here's the twist. The final coin in this video has a history and demand so powerful that when collectors discover it, they treat it like a hidden treasure found in plain sight. So before you skip this video, check the pennies in your pocket, watch carefully, and stay until the end, because one of these coins might already be waiting in your collection. Did you ever find a wheat penny in your pocket or coin jar? Tell me the year of your penny in the comments, and I'll tell you if it could be valuable. And remember, some of the most valuable coins in America were discovered in ordinary pocket change. Let's begin with the first rare wheat penny that has collectors across America talking right now. Coin number 1. The year 1953 was a fascinating period in American history. The United States Mint was producing millions of coins to support a rapidly growing economy, and wheat pennies were still circulating heavily in everyday life. Grocery stores, gas stations, and diners across America exchanged these small copper coins constantly. Most people never paid attention to them. They were simply part of daily transactions. But among the massive production of 1,953 pennies, a small number quietly emerged with features that would eventually attract intense attention from collectors decades later. One of the most intriguing examples is the 1,953 wheat penny struck at the San Francisco Mint, identified by the small S mint mark beneath the date. At the time it was minted, this coin seemed completely ordinary. Workers at the San Francisco Mint produced these pennies using a composition of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc, a metal mixture that had been used for many years in the wheat penny series. The coins were struck with the famous design created by Victor David Brenner, featuring Abraham Lincoln on the front and the iconic wheat stalks framing the reverse side. But over time, certain 1,953 with S pennies began to stand out in ways that collectors could not ignore. Some examples developed a distinctive brown surface layer with tiny dark spotting, a natural aging effect that forms when copper reacts slowly with the environment over many decades. In the coin collecting world, this type of coloration can create a visually striking appearance that signals authenticity and age. When the coin also retains strong detail, like sharp lettering, clear wheat stalks, and a bold mint mark, it becomes especially desirable. The particular variety we are discussing today carries a beautiful brown tone, combined with subtle black spotting, giving the coin a character that serious collectors admire. In fine condition, the coin still shows important design features clearly while displaying the natural signs of circulation that tell its story. And that story is part of what makes this coin so powerful in today's collector market. Over the years, demand for well-preserved wheat pennies has grown dramatically. Collectors in the United States have become increasingly passionate about assembling complete sets of Lincoln Wheat Pennies. And when they search for coins from the San Francisco Mint, they look for examples that display authentic surfaces and strong visual appeal. That is exactly where the 1,953 with S penny begins to shine. Because while millions were originally minted, only a very small number survived in collectible condition with attractive natural toning and clear detail. Many were lost, damaged, or heavily worn through decades of circulation. As a result, collectors now compete fiercely whenever a beautiful specimen appears in the market. And when one of these coins surfaces with the characteristics we described, brown layered copper, dark spotting, and solid fine condition, the excitement among collectors becomes electric. This is the moment where the hidden treasure finally reveals itself. In today's collector market, a 1953 with S Wheat penny, with these exact characteristics and in fine condition, has reached a current market value of $248,000. Yeah, a single penny. A small copper coin that once passed through ordinary hands now holds the status of a remarkable treasure within the numismatic world. Collectors view coins like this as more than currency. They see them as pieces of American history frozen in metal, artifacts that connect us directly to the past. And the most exciting part is that the value of such coins continues to rise. The demand among collectors grows stronger each year, while the number of high-quality surviving pieces becomes smaller and smaller. Many experts believe the market for rare wheat pennies is entering an even stronger phase of growth. When collectors recognize a coin with rarity, history, and strong visual character, they treat it as a treasure worth protecting for generations. So if you ever examine your old penny collection and notice a 1953 coin with a small S mint mark, don't rush past it. Study it carefully. Look at the color, the surface, the condition. Sometimes the smallest details reveal the greatest surprises. Because coins like this remind us that incredible value can hide in the most unexpected places. And here on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we bring you these discoveries every single day, uncovering the fascinating world of rare coins that many people overlook. But the story doesn't end here. The next coin on today's list carries an even deeper mystery and an even stronger presence in the collector market. And when you see what makes it special, you may never look at a wheat penny the same way again. Stay with me. Coin number 2. Now let's move deeper into the world of hidden treasures with coin number 2, a wheat penny that carries a powerful story from a very important era in American history. This coin takes us back to the year 1938 Ampere's time, when the United States was slowly recovering from the hardships of the Great Depression. Families were rebuilding their lives, industries were gaining strength again, and everyday coins like the Lincoln Wheat Penny were circulating heavily through American pockets, stores, and markets. At the Philadelphia Mint, which traditionally did not place a mint mark on its coins during that time, thousands of workers were striking wheat pennies day and night to support the country's growing economy. These pennies were not seen as collectibles. They were simply everyday money used to buy small goods, pay for services, and move through countless hands. But history has a fascinating way of turning ordinary objects into extraordinary treasures. Among the pennies struck in 1938 Ampere's, very small number emerged, with remarkable characteristics that collectors now consider incredibly desirable. The coin we are discussing today is a 1938 wheat penny without a mint mark, meaning it was produced at the historic Philadelphia Mint, the oldest and most iconic minting facility in the United States. This coin was struck using the classic 95% copper alloy, giving it the rich, warm tone that wheat pennies are famous for. On the obverse side, Abraham Lincoln's portrait appears strong and dignified, a design created by the renowned sculptor Victor David Brenner. On the reverse side, the two elegant wheat stalks frame the words 1 cent, symbolizing the agricultural strength of America during that era. But what makes this particular 1938 penny stand out from millions of others is its extraordinary preservation. This coin survived decades while maintaining an uncirculated condition, meaning it was never worn down through normal daily use. Instead of heavy scratches or flattened details, the surfaces remain crisp and vibrant. The fine lines in Lincoln's portrait remain sharp. The wheat stalks show incredible detail, and the lettering appears bold and strong even after many decades. Another fascinating feature that collectors admire on this coin is the appearance of natural brown spotting across the copper surface. Over time, copper reacts with air and the environment, creating subtle patterns that can give a coin a unique personality. In the world of numismatics, natural toning like this can actually enhance the coin's beauty and confirm its originality. When a coin from 1938 survives in uncirculated condition with authentic copper toning, it immediately becomes a centerpiece for serious collectors. These coins are extremely difficult to find because most wheat pennies from the 1930 SAVs circulated heavily for decades before collectors began preserving them. Think about the journey this coin has taken. It was minted during a period when America was rebuilding its strength. It survived through World War II, through economic changes, through generations of families handling coins without thinking twice about them, and yet somehow this particular penny remained protected, untouched, and preserved in remarkable condition. That level of survival is incredibly rare. Collectors across the United States search for coins exactly like this because they represent the perfect combination of history, rarity, and preservation. The demand for uncirculated wheat pennies has grown dramatically over the past decade, especially as new collectors enter the market and experienced numismatists compete for the finest examples available. And when a coin like the 1938 Philadelphia wheat penny in uncirculated condition with beautiful natural brown spotting appears in the collector market, the excitement becomes intense. Auctions draw attention from seasoned experts, private collectors, and investors who understand that coins like this are more than currency. They are historical artifacts with lasting value. Now here comes the moment that truly shocks many viewers. A 1938 wheat penny without a mint mark, displaying brown spotting and preserved in uncirculated condition, has reached a current market value of $285,000. Yeah, a single penny from 1938 has transformed into a treasure worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in today's collector market. And what makes this story even more fascinating is that coins like this continue to increase in value year after year. The supply of top-quality wheat pennies is shrinking as more collectors secure them into long-term collections. Meanwhile, the demand keeps growing stronger as the fascination with historic American coins spreads across the country. This is why experts often say that rare coins are not just collectibles. They are living pieces of history whose value evolves with time. If you ever examine an old coin jar, a family collection, or a small box of inherited coins, take a careful look at any wheat pennies you find. Pay attention to the date, check for a mint mark beneath the year, and observe the condition of the coin's surface. Sometimes the smallest and most ordinary-looking penny can quietly hold the power of a hidden treasure. And here on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we bring these incredible discoveries directly to you every single day. Our channel is freshly updated daily, revealing the fascinating stories behind America's most valuable coins, so that collectors and treasure hunters never miss the opportunity to recognize something extraordinary. But don't go anywhere yet, because the third and final coin in today's video carries an even more astonishing story. Its rarity, its demand, and its incredible rise in the collector market have left even experienced numismatists completely amazed. And when you see the details behind coin number 3, you might realize that the pennies hiding in plain sight could be far more powerful than anyone ever imagined. Coin number 3. Now we arrive at the final coin in today's video, and this one carries a story that truly captures the heart of the rare coin world. If the first 2 coins already surprised you, prepare yourself, because coin number 3 is a wheat penny that represents the perfect combination of American history, rare survival, and powerful collector demand. This coin takes us back to 1949 Ampere's time, when the United States was entering a brand new chapter. The Second World War had ended only a few years earlier. The economy was expanding rapidly, and American cities were growing with energy and optimism. Factories were running, families were building new lives, and coins like the Lincoln Wheat Penny were circulating everywhere, from grocery counters to train stations, from school cafeterias to busy downtown shops. At the Denver Mint, identified by the famous D Mint mark, thousands of workers were striking pennies every day to keep up with the growing need for currency. These coins were made from the classic wheat penny composition of 95% copper mixed with tin and zinc, giving them that rich copper color that collectors love today. The design of the coin remained the timeless masterpiece created by Victor David Brenner. On the front side, Abraham Lincoln's portrait appears calm and dignified, symbolizing leadership and unity. On the reverse side, 2 elegant wheat stalks frame the words 1 cent, representing America's agricultural strength and prosperity. But what makes this 1949 with D wheat penny so fascinating is how it survived through the decades with features that collectors find incredibly exciting. The coin we're discussing today carries a beautiful combination of red spots and brown dots across the copper surface. In the numismatic world, these natural color patterns are more than just visual details. They tell the story of how the copper aged over time. When copper reacts slowly with oxygen and the surrounding environment, it can produce striking tones that give each coin its own unique identity. In this case, the mixture of reddish copper tones blended with subtle brown spotting creates a surface that collectors immediately recognize as authentic and original. These color patterns often indicate that the coin has not been harshly cleaned or artificially altered, which is extremely important for maintaining collector value. Equally important is the very fine condition of the coin. A wheat penny in very fine condition still shows strong detail across the design. The lines in Lincoln's hair remain visible. The lettering around the rim appears clear and bold, and the wheat stalks on the reverse side maintain their delicate structure. These details tell collectors that the coin experienced only moderate circulation and was preserved far better than most pennies from the same era. Remember, millions of wheat pennies were produced in the late 1940s, but the vast majority were used heavily in daily life. They passed through countless hands, scraped against other coins, and slowly lost their detail over time. Finding a 1949 with D penny that still holds strong features and natural copper toning after more than 70 years is an impressive survival story. And that survival is exactly what fuels the powerful demand among collectors today. Across the United States, serious numismatists are constantly searching for exceptional wheat pennies that combine historical authenticity with strong visual appeal. The 1949 with D variety has become especially desirable because it represents a post-war coin that still carries the classic wheat penny design before the series ended in 1958. When collectors build their Lincoln Wheat Penny sets, they want coins that stand out, coins that have character, beauty, and a clear story of preservation. A coin with natural red spotting, deep brown tones, and strong, very fine detail becomes a centerpiece that collectors proudly add to their collections. And when such a coin appears in the market, competition among buyers becomes intense. Now comes the moment that reveals just how powerful this tiny copper coin has become. A 1949 with D wheat penny displaying red spotting and brown toning, preserved in very fine condition, has reached a current market value of $260,000. Yes, what once circulated as a simple 1-cent coin has transformed into a treasure that collectors pursue with incredible passion. This is not just a coin anymore. It is a historic artifact carrying decades of American history within a single piece of copper. And the most fascinating part is that the market for rare wheat pennies continues to grow stronger. Every year, more collectors enter the field, and every year the supply of high-quality coins becomes smaller. This powerful combination pushes values higher and higher, turning these coins into remarkable long-term treasures. Experts across the numismatic world often remind collectors that coins like this are not ordinary collectibles. They are pieces of history whose value grows as their rarity becomes more widely recognized. When a coin holds history, rarity, and beauty together, its demand rarely fades. So if you ever come across an old 1949 wheat penny with a small D mint mark beneath the date, pause for a moment before you move on. Examine its surface. Look closely at the color, the detail, and the condition. Because sometimes the smallest copper coin can carry a story far greater than anyone expects. Many incredible discoveries have happened exactly that way. Someone casually looking through old coins and suddenly realizing that they are holding something truly extraordinary. And that is why this journey into rare coins never stops being exciting. Today we explored 3 ultra-rare wheat pennies that have captured the attention of collectors across the United States. Each coin carries a powerful story, from the historic mints that created them to the decades they survived before becoming prized treasures in the collector market. These coins prove something remarkable. Hidden among ordinary pocket change can be pieces of history that grow into extraordinary treasures over time. What once seemed like a simple penny can eventually become a symbol of rarity, demand, and incredible value. The market for rare wheat pennies continues to rise, and collectors everywhere are searching for the next remarkable discovery. That means the coins sitting quietly in jars, drawers, or inherited collections may hold surprises waiting to be uncovered. Here on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, our mission is to reveal these incredible stories and help collectors recognize the treasures that many people overlook. Our channel is freshly updated every single day, bringing you new discoveries, rare coin secrets, and fascinating stories from the world of American numismatics. So keep exploring your coins, keep learning, and who knows, the next hidden treasure might already be waiting in your pocket.